Hello YouTube. Today we're going to do a demo test. The VCR that we're selling is a RCA VR319. It's a mono 4-head VCR. So I would just like to go through the functions of it real quick. And it does come with the original remote, which is here. So let's start up using the remote to turn it on. Excuse the glare, slight glare on the screen. The sun's out, but it shouldn't interfere too much. So, Rathacon will be our test video. Let's turn down the sound some so you can hear me. All right. It's a pretty good movie. Let's see here. Fast forward. Okay, it's a fast forward scan. Back to play. Let's see here.
We weren't expecting you for another 3 months.
Okay.
Has something happened?
Let's do a rewind scan. Back to play. Man, look at that wig. Eric, I stomped on your head and your wig came off. Alright, so let's do a pause. Okay. Here's your pause. Play. So down here we got controls on the deck itself. So let's go ahead and do a pause here. And then unpause. Okay. Let's do a fast forward from the unit itself. Play. Rewind from the unit itself. Back to play. Okay. Let's do a stop. And using the remote, let's do a high speed fast forward. It shows the fast forward on the screen, not on the unit itself. Okay, so let's just stop that. Let's do a fast forward from the front of the unit itself. Again, we'll stop. Do a rewind from the remote. High speed rewind. Okay. Stop. And then we'll do a high speed rewind from the unit itself. And then stop. Okay. All right. So all that looks okay. You're probably not going to use record because it's all digital now. There's your pause. Tape speed you can change here if you so desire, from standard play, long play, super long play. So it's got all three. VCR TV. You know, you're not going to really need that, I don't think. There's your inputs, your channels up and down. You're not going to need that unless you have a converter box that converts from analog into digital. So that's it. Overall, your eject is only on the front of the VCR. It's not on the remote. Sometimes it is and sometimes it isn't. As usual, take it out. Nothing wrong with tape. Tape's good. And as you can see, it is mono. You get your RCA composites out, RCA composites in, your channel selector between channel 3 and channel 4 if you're using a very old TV that doesn't have composite inputs, and your usual infrared antenna out to TV coaxial ports. That's about it. This guy is a bit heavy. It's pretty well built. It's heavier than your average model, so I would have to reinforce the box that I ship it in and really pack it up real good. So that's about it. I've sold, as far as VCRs and combo players go, over 50 of these. You got eBay's 30-day guarantee. If there's any issue, you can return it, get your money back. But it should be fine. It is a mono, but it's a 4-head, and you can see the picture's pretty decent, even on an HD TV. I could show it on the CRT up there, but you get banding, you get like distortion on the screen because of the way the iPhone records. It's not synchronized with the refresh rate of the TV. So it's better just to look at it in 4:3 on an HD TV. It's it's gonna look okay on a CRT as well, because that's what it was designed for. All right, thank you very much for taking a look at this, and have a great day.